Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking over from Upwork. I am Ashraf Ali. I have over 4 years of experience in graphic design. Basically, I do branding design, social media poster design, YouTube thumbnail design, and other design services if you need. I am a top rated freelancer in Upwork. I have completed over 27 projects on Upwork in last 1.5 years with 5-star reviews, and I have a 100% job success rate. So you can believe me, you can check my profile and we can discuss how I can solve your problem with my design and services. So to do that, we have to discuss about your business and problems and how I can solve your problems with my design and services. So do check my profile, send me an invitation in Upwork, and I will respond to you as early as possible, and we can schedule a meeting or chatting session on Zoom. So that's it about me. Thanks for watching. That's it from my side. See you over Upwork. Bye.